This is a record player. This is the record arm. That's the balance at the back. This is the front. And at the bottom, you can't see it very clearly. If I hold this up, that's better. That tiny mark that you can see on the white paper is the needle. On the end of the needle is a diamond chip. Over here we have speed settings, 33 and 45. We are currently pressed at 45. Here is a copy of X-Ray Spex Germ-Free Adolescence 7-inch single. Yes, your mum bought this in 1978. By picking the arm up, the motor starts the belt spinning. You place the needle on the record, and below we have music.